Hayi sekhuleka wengane zethonga impodloza amafikosana. Shintsha nsomoya mavula vala umzini amadoda. Mnumzana amanzi unqiniketshe. Dubula into mzasezweni. Iyona inyanga elapha ekhaya. Hayi, ugobela ongenagobela. Hayi ngoba shona akazabe khona. Ye wena. Kunjalo ke madoda amakhulu ayijikile message. Right ke, light. Today I want us to talk about energies. Right? So my uMndawe people, yay, will understand what I'm talking about today. Yay, Nina. My uMndawe people, angizwa ngithini? I'm talking to you guys namhlanje. Injalo ke madoda ayijikima nje. We talk about energies. Energies. Right? So, masibuka lento ekuthiwa. Oh, sorry. I must do it in English. Sorry. So when we look into energies have always been there, right? There are different types of energies. There are different types of spirits that lead to certain energies. There are different types of energies that are taken from certain spirits. Ha! I hope I'm making sense. So let's go back to what I'm saying. Right? Cool. Energies. Right. So, let me try and put it in a simple form. So let's think of the air, right? It's just air. And then if you apply force, it brings a certain... Right. So we think of air, for example, and we apply heat. What happens? Right? Why am I talking about these things? It's because when it comes to this type of spirit, yonke into ihamba ngama energies, right? Laba bantu abanalento, it's not just ukuthi awuliphuza igazi. Yes, igazi awuliphuza. Fine, ngiyakubona lokho. That's just grade 1 shit, right? So then we get to, I think I've spoken about Uparula before, right? Fine, let's forget about all of those things. Where I want us to go is energies. So these things come, when they come into you or when they speak to you, let's say that when this certain energy comes and then it connects, or once it's aligned to wena or nalendo, then certain things start to talk. Right? So what do I mean? We're talking about lento yokufemba, right? Somebody asked me about this. That's why I'm talking about energies, to make it easier for them to understand as well, right? Cool. So obviously, it's a manner of communication. It's a form of communication that leads to a certain energy to come to a person's body. From being in a person's body, then it translates messages, direct messages from a certain ancestor. Right? Where's my bell? Cool. Right. So how does this phenomenon happen? So in order for this phenomenon to happen, this person that has this type of gift as well, has to channel this energy, right? They have to channel this energy in order for the energy to come through and then speak through them, right? Simple example. I've got a USB. I bought a USB. It's empty, ne? I put music inside. In order for this music to play, I have to go and find a radio that is suitable for this USB. Put it in, then the music plays. Ha! So let's go back to why am I using this analogy. So, wena, you are the healer. Right? I mean, you are the person or usizo, right? Or seeking answers. you go to the healer. When you get to the healer, what happens from the healer? The healer channels this energy, then it starts, then you can start pressing play. Then it will play in a manner of which it will then make sense to you. Right? I hope I've answered you. Ayijalo madoda ayijike my sinje.